All right, so Workbench settings enable natural language search. Controls whether to enable the natural language search mode for settings. The natural language search is provided by a Microsoft online service. Now, natural language search does not work on the settings.json file, but it does work on the UI editor. So if you do something like open files on the left, you wait a little bit, and then you have some options that you can use. You have the open positioning, which is probably what you're looking for, or you can search for open work group automatically. So you're no. So I'm searching for the close empty groups, right? So don't close empty. I guess I should have written close groups automatically. Whoops. Yeah, and it opens up as the first setting. So this is a natural language search, right? And it doesn't work on the settings.json file, but you can use it if you're looking for something, you can use it here. This is pretty useful. However, this is a Bing service, so actually VS Code just sends a query to a Bing service, and Bing will respond. Bing knows about VS Code settings, and it will respond with those settings right there. If you disable this, you won't have any natural language search. I do find this to be very useful, so I'm going to leave this one enabled.